Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add users and groups to Docusign CLM. Alright, the first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome browser over here and then log in to Docusign. If you already have an account, you just simply need to log in, and if you do not, click on the first link that appears on your screen and follow the sign in process. Ensure that you have your Gmail address, your phone numbers and passwords ready to properly sign up. There is also a sign up for free option that would pop up. Ensure you sign up for free if you want to do, and if you want to have a structured or a more administrative Docusign account, ensure you sign up for that one. All right, so I'll just head over to my Docusign account right now, and this is my dashboard. All right, to add users and groups in Docusign CLM, the first thing you want to do is head over to the options at the top part of your administrative dashboard and then click on admin. It will take you to the next page. Docusign CLM, which is the contract lifestyle management, allows admins to create users, organize them into groups, and assign permission so the right people can access the right contract information and workflow. This guide works well for a work-based administrative control method. All right, so to add users and groups to Docusign CLM, the first thing you want to do is head over to this page over here. All right, and then as you scroll up, you will see users and groups. So you want to click on users. All right, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you have the first option here to add user or download user. For the purpose of this video, what we want to do is add user, so we'll click on add user. All right, so how you add user is to ensure that you input their email addresses. All right, let's just do that quickly. And then when you're done, you're going to click on next and then go ahead to input other profile information, security, password, and all of that. When you're done, you would simply click on save and you have your user already added. To add groups, you just head over back to this place and then click on groups. And just like how you added the user, it's the same process you go about to add groups. So you click on add group and then you have this information, this box that pops up. You include your group name and click on add. These are very simple and precise ways to add user and group on your Docusign CLM. Remember, we came first to the admin page and then this page opened up to us. All right, and then we went over to user and groups, clicked on user, added the user we wanted by clicking on add users. All right, and then we came over here again, clicked on groups, and then added the group we want to add. This is a short and precise way to add users and groups on Docusign. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.